Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at some cases for your Galaxy S23 series from Tongate. Now you can pick these up from Amazon. I'll throw the links up in the description. The prices range from 20 to 40 bucks. All right, so let's get right into it. First up, we got the matte case. Now this one's going to run you $19.99. Let's go through the features real quick. Now this one comes in a few different colors. You got black, purple, and white. Now this one's compatible for your Galaxy S23 Ultra. All of your buttons and cutouts line up. You got a sliding lens camera cover. Okay, you got military grade drop test protection. You got frosted back with a comfort grip and a slim profile with a lifetime warranty. All of that for $19.99. Let's see what it is. And on a side note, ladies and gentlemen, late but still great, White Shoes is back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
White Shoes, calm down. Okay, so this is the Tongate matte case. Let's go ahead and check this one out. $19.99. Okay. Little flick of the wrist. And this is going to be your case. Oh, now this one looks nice. You got the frosted matte feel on the back, so no fingerprints. Got your camera lens protection. Remember, you just spent over $1,200 for a Galaxy S23 Ultra 5-Gangsta Alpha Mega Supreme, aka Galactus 2.0. Make sure you protect that camera. That's the most important part of the phone. Okay, there's your cutouts. Everything lines up. Now, let's see how this works now. Let's go ahead and drop this on. Now, this is kind of unique. Let's hit that button. Okay, no buttons right here. Now, this is kind of weird. This is kind of weird. Okay, now you just have to press. Oh, this is a unique look. You just press it in for the button. Okay, so the button does work. So all cutouts. Let's see how easy it is to get to your S Pen. Okay, no issues at all. Let's see. Let's check the resivity on this one. Nice amount, so it is Slamboy certified. And of course, protect your camera. Lock it into place. Let's check for flappage. No flappage, so it's not going to open up by itself. Let's check wireless charge. Okay, let's make sure we got this on correctly. All right, so there's your wireless charge. Now you notice, let me open the screen so y'all can see the wireless charge animation. Okay, drop that on there. Let's see. Now that camera hump is kind of in the way a little bit. Let's try a standing wireless charger. All right, so we're going to try a standing wireless charger because it seems like the camera hump is kind of low. So we'll try it like this. There's your green light. So we're getting wireless charge. Okay, so the wireless charge does work. Let's check this unique button cutout position. Okay, you just got a little press. I like that. This is the matte case. Protect your camera. $19.99 on this one. Let's keep it moving. All right, so one more quick note with the matte case. I was doing some testing off camera, and the wireless charge does work on both of my wireless chargers. So let's try it on the flat wireless charger. Okay, you see it's charging up. There's your green light. And we'll try it on the standing wireless charger. Green light alert. Okay, so the matte case does have wireless charge on both of my chargers. All right, so next up, we got the kickstand case for your Galaxy S23. Now, this one is going to run you $18.99. This one comes in black, blue, green, purple, and rose red. All right, so let's go through the features. You got your sliding camera cover for protection. You got a built-in kickstand, heavy-duty drop protection, accurate cutouts, and a comfort grip. And it does come with a screen protector. All right, so all of that for $18.99. Let's go ahead and check this one out. Okay, now these are from Tongate. Okay, here we go. Okay, flick of the wrist. Now it does come with tempered glass screen protector. Okay, it's going to be your case, your wet wipe and your dry wipe, and your dust removal stickers. All right, so let's go ahead and install this one. Let's grab the S23. First, let's drop the screen protector on. Okay, so we get the wet wipe. Now I'm going to try to do this in real time so you see how easy it is. Okay, get a little wipe down. All right, shoes is trolling me. Let's grab the dry wipe. Now, if you got a cat, make sure you follow her to the side during this process so you don't get any cat hairs on your install. Okay. Make sure this is nice and dry. Okay. Bong just like that. Now, what I like to do, grab the screen protector. You're going to peel this off and slap it right on. Okay. Tap it in the middle. Let gravity and nature do its thing. Okay. And then we'll just wipe out all of the excess bubbles. All right, so I just wiped out all of the bubbles, and as you can see, beautiful bubble-free installation. Now let's check the fingerprint sensor. Works flawlessly. Now, as far as the case, on the back, here's your camera lens protection. Has these little rubber stoppers. Gives it that military type look. Does feature a kickstand that locks back into place. Okay, buttons, cutouts. Everything lines up. Slap the case on. Check the razivity on this one. It is Slamboy certified. Let's check wireless charge. Okay, there's your wireless charge. Now you see it says fully charged, green light. Okay, let's check the kickstand. Oh, now this kickstand is pretty dope. Check this out. Now while you're at work, got your phone just like this. You can do landscape or portrait mode. And like I said, locks back into place, no flappage. All right, so this is a dope case right here. $18.99 on this one. All of the buttons work. And again, the fingerprint sensor works fine through the tempered glass screen protector. This is a good look. Let's check that kickstand one more time. Bong, I'm gonna rock my phone just like this. And when you're ready to check your emails, let's see, bong, just like that. All right, so this is a go right here. Let's keep it moving. All right, so next up, we got another kickstand case, but this one is for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Now, this one is going to run you $19.99. Comes in black, blue, green, purple, and rose red. Now, you got the same sliding camera cover for protection, military-grade drop test protection, accurate cutouts, comfort grip, limited lifetime warranty. All right, so let's check this one out. $19.99 on this one. Okay. Angle level's increasing. Okay, here we go. Okay, now this one doesn't come with a screen protector. Okay, now you don't need that for your Galaxy S23 Ultra because you want to use the S Pen, so you want more responsivityness. On the back, you got that same juicy kickstand. Okay, with that satisfying locking sound, camera protection. There's your buttons, cutouts. All right, so let's go ahead and slap this on the Ultra. Look at all that razivity. Okay, so it is Slamboy certified. Let's check wireless charge. Let's get it on that charger. There it is. You see the lights flashing. Okay, now the phone is fully charged. So if you're wondering why you're not seeing that wireless charge animation, it's because my phone is at 100%. But you do see the green light. Let's check the buttons. Okay, there's your buttons. Let's get that easy access to the S Pen. No issues. And of course, your camera protection. So this way, when you drop your phone, you don't have to worry about your camera getting damaged. Let's check for flappage. Okay, it's not going to slap open by itself. Real nice. Okay, so this is the Tongate kickstand case. Matter of fact, let's check that kickstand. Let's open this up. Bang, just like that. Now, if I want to watch some YouTube videos, take it over to YouTube and rock out just like this. All right, so this is a dope look. Slaps back into place. All right, so let's keep it moving. All right, so the last case we got is the kickstand case with the belt clip. Now, this one is going to run you $29.97. Now, this one comes in a few different colors. You got black, which is $29.97. Then you got blue, which is $39.99. Green, purple, and red, all $39.99. So the cheapest one is the black, again, $29.97. Now this one comes with your sliding camera cover. You got a built-in folding kickstand, a rotatable belt clip. It's 10 feet military grade drop test protection, and you got precise cutouts and comfort grip. Okay, $29.97 on this one. Let's go ahead and check this one out. Now this one is going to give you maximum protection. Okay, flick of the wrist. And a swivel belt clip. Okay, pluck it and file it. Okay, now check this one out. We're going to have to separate this. Okay, so this is one of those 3-part style cases. Okay, so you got your inner frame, the back, and the front. Okay, so we're going to separate this. Let's go ahead and slap the outer layer on. Okay, bong just like that. Then we'll slap it inside. Make sure everything gets sealed up. Okay, seal it all the way around. Okay. Now let me check this. All right, so with this one, you want to make sure you have a nice tight seal all the way around. That's going to give you that maximum razivity for the ultimate Slam Boy certifications. Now in the back, here's your camera protection with that nice clicky sound. Let's check for flappage. Okay, it's not going to flap open. Got that big juicy kickstand on the back. Bong just like that. Portrait mode and landscape mode. Let's get and flick it back in. Snap it into place. All the buttons work. Okay. Easy access to your S Pen. Just like that. And of course, wireless charge. You see it flashing. Green light status. Okay. Phone says fully charged. And of course, the belt clip. Now let's go ahead and drop this on. Now let's see if we can rock this front or back. Okay. Now, if you got this on your waist, you got a 360 degree. Oh, look how strong this is. This is one of those real belt clips. Rocking on your waist, go jogging, ride your bike. Again, you can rock it up or down with your phone face backwards. Or if you want to show out, face forward. This is pretty dope. Okay, 360 degree belt clip. Perfect for riding your bike. Perfect for going to the gym. Pops off just like that. Camera lens protection. Okay, $29.97 on this one. Let's go ahead and wrap this up. All right, so this is the Tongate case lineup for your Galaxy S23 series. Remember, everything that you see here is under $40. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah. Special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat. Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock won the beam up. Energize.
I want everybody to subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real tech reviews. Now, Flossy Carter, we know you flossy. Now, guess what? I'm flashy. Money May all day, the one and only. Flossy Carter, you're part of the money team.